Okay, crypto one method gains over the last, this is a little bit over a week, from the 28th, 29th to around the 8th, just closing the week on a Sunday, and had the idea to kind of do this weekly, really, just to have an analysis of the trading week, or what's happened, using the crypto one method technique, which we teach and offer a free course, mini course, in the link below, and some good advice of how to get started in this very exciting crypto world and start investing and making quick profits like we see here. This is $1,300 in about a week and a half, and I've done this is about 2 weeks, sorry, 26, so about $650 a week, which is pretty good. Not really been trying as much this week because finishing some exciting courses which are in the links below to help you guys mirror this technique and basically make money very, very simply. We're piggybacking on the back of swing traders and long-term traders and just taking quick 1%. Charts are going up and down all of the time, and many people are trading many different strategies. This strategy is one of the quickest, safest ways to quickly make money. You can see here we had 9 or 10 trades in a row, and these were making profits of $67, $69, $670, $55, $98, $8, $69, $68, $44. The reds are losses. No trader can make 100% of trades. That 9 or 10 in a row was great, but this was a loss. $75. This was a similar loss. 13 here. 75, 22, 15. So out of all of these trades, 42, about 37 trades, there's 5 that are losses, but they're only small, very, very small losses, and the system teaches you how to protect your money once it's invested. And occasionally all the indicators could be pointing to the right direction, and you couldn't predict and be in the right position 100% of the time, but this is what we teach you. That we teach all the indicators. This is a bulletproof system. It's been in the works for a good year and 3 months, and only now, with the current volumes and the low fees on Binance and all the other factors we've put together for this system, using our calculator here, calculates everything for you, the checks, and really makes this as simple as possible. The spreadsheet for recording your profits is essential because you get to see some really good facts here. This in the purple is the actual money I have made. This is my average gain, just under 1% because of the losses. We're aiming for 1% trades, which is great. But all of the trades that I picked here, we record, and I've not seen anybody else doing this. On each trade that we pick the where it actually goes to. So this first coin here, FET, we got in at 2363, we got out at 2387, 1% gain. It did go down to 2234, so it went down 1.65% lower. So we could have got in lower there. This red is an average of all of these lows. So the lower this red, the better. And this relates back to the calculator. Just to give you a recommendation, this divides your average red figure, the bottom, by 2, and just remind you that when you're looking for a buy, maybe you can go in a little bit lower just to get this. That serves 2 purposes. 1, it's easier to make your 1%, and 2, taking the method forward, which is a really advanced techniques at the end of the course. Once you've mastered the 1%, recording the top that it went to allows you to get an average of exactly where that money went to, or the gains went to. So FET went up actually 2.71%, so I could have made money. This went up 6.64. All of these went up generally higher than the 1%, which is exactly what we want. And this is an average of 3.3%. So if I'd have picked the tops on all of these, potentially that could have been $4,286. Now, we're never going to pick the top. We're not in here to pick the top. However, this has allowed me to increase my profit percentage now slightly to 1.33. I could probably do higher, but I'm just kind of gradually increasing this as this green figure increases. So as we go, this green figure we want as high as possible, the red as low as possible, and the actual will grow as well here for us more profits. So just showing you some evidence here. The 29th here, you can see the buys and the sells. 0.54 Bitcoin sold for 0.55. There are a few other little trades in here I do for other trades. 0.224, 0.2242. If you want to pause these and relate them to the spreadsheet, you're more than welcome to. Theta 0.10, 0.1003. That will look like one of the small losses. 0.54 to 0.55. 0.554 to 0.555. Another gain, another gain. These are all little gains in Bitcoin, so we're using some Bitcoin to make more Bitcoin. There are some more trades. So you can see all of the gains here. The little gains, 0.60 to 0.61, RDOR, in and out, in and out, in and out. So that's the history in Binance. This is the money being made here. You can compound that Bitcoin to make more money. We're teaching people how to mirror this method as part of our non-conformity online university. If you're interested in making small consistent gains daily, which can turn into, you know, a good $500 to $1,000 a week, if all the conditions are good and you've disciplined and follow it, then please follow the link at the bottom of this video and sign up for the free Crypto 1 Method mini course.